Hello viewers and welcome to today's video where we explore the life, influence and legacy of one of the most powerful figures in the modern Middle East, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, the supreme leader of Iran. He is not just a political figure, he is also a religious scholar, strategist and spiritual leader who has shaped Iran's policies for over 3 decades. Whether you admire him or critique him, his influence on Iran and the region cannot be denied. So, today let's take a closer look at his background, rise to power, and 20 essential facts that reveal his role in shaping the Islamic Republic of Iran. Now we will talk about his history. He was born in 1939 in Mashhad, a city in northeastern Iran. Ali Khamenei came from a deeply religious family. He studied in Islamic seminaries in Mashdad and later in Qom, where he became a close follower of Ayatollah Khamenei, the leader of Iran's 1979 Islamic Revolution. After the Iranian Revolution, Khamenei held several key positions: President of Iran 1981 to 1989, a rare combination of both political and religious leadership. When Ayatollah Khamenei passed away in 1989, Khamenei was chosen by the Assembly of Experts to become the next supreme leader, Iran's highest authority. Since then, he has held ultimate control over Iran's military, judiciary, state media, and foreign policy, making him one of the longest serving heads of state in the world today. Now we will talk about some facts related to him. Title: he holds the title of Rehbar-e-Moazzam-e-Iran, Supreme Leader of Iran. Longest serving Supreme Leader, serving since 1989 after Ayatollah Khamenei's death. Religious scholar, holds the status of Mirza, a senior cleric in Shia Islam, though controversial among some clerics. Survivor of assassination attempt. He survived a 1981 bombing that left his right arm partially paralyzed. Former President of Iran. Served as Iran's third president from 1981 till 1989 during the Iran-Iraq War. Commander-in-Chief, ultimate control over Iran's armed forces, including the powerful Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps (IRGC). Foreign policy architect, shapes Iran's international alliances including relations with Russia, China, Syria. Anti-Western rhetoric, known for his criticism of US and Israeli policies, often referring to America as the Great Satan. Supporter of Islamic unity, advocates unity among Muslim nations and sects, though critics accuse him of sectarian bias. Supreme Cultural Authority, oversees cultural, education and moral policies through various councils. Literary and poetry lover, known for quoting Persian poetry in speeches and encouraging literary arts. Maintains a private office. The Bait-e-Rehbari, office of the Supreme Leader, is the real center of power in Iran. Supports military self-reliance. Encourage Iran development of its missiles and drone programs. Ayatollah Ali Khamenei remains one of the most powerful and influential leaders of the Islamic world, shaping not just Iran's domestic and foreign policies but also affecting regional dynamics across the Middle East. Whether seen as a guardian of Islamic values or a symbol of political control, his roles continue to be pivotal in how Iran engages with the world. As Iran faces internal challenges and international pressure, the decisions of Ayatollah Khamenei will continue to shape the future, not just of Iran, but of the entire region. If you found this video informative, please like, comment and subscribe. Which facts surprised you the most about Iran's supreme leader? Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed.